foolish, nervous, shallow, nasty, rotten, toxic, liar. Money's not an issue, I was lying, it's the only issue. Everything is funny, everything is money, everything is pretty, stupid, fucking awful, perfect, ugly, loving, hollow, social, broken, faithful, foolish, harmless, evil, trustful, liar. Make a song about me. Who are you? I don't know. For all you know, I could be counterfeit. Inside a house, inside a room, inside a box, inside a shell. But you can take me in the news, but you still can't learn to see things through. Maybe you should give your kiss to me. None of your friends even like you. Born in San Francisco, maybe somewhere in the middle of that other busy city. What's it called? Sacramento. Doesn't really matter since it didn't last forever. Now you sit on your computer making synthesis. Portamental, you seem really nervous. Keep your ever sense of purpose. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what it is? Everything is funny. Everything is funny. Fuck! I can't remember. Saw you change your clothes and make new friends, but I think you know how that would end. Maybe you should give your eyes to me. Everyone thinks you look ugly. I'll talk sense into you. I think that you should max out your credit card. You'll have nothing left to do but pay back the debt you got from when you maxed out your credit card. You'll go get a job at some place you feel needed, then roll the night. Talked with everyone the other day. We think you have nothing left to say.